Would you like to see a video about the truth on OnlyFans? Remember the other day I told you that a family member, what did I say, had it in for me or something? Well, now she's printed things off from my pages, OnlyFans and Instagram and everywhere, and printed them out, screenshotted, printed them out, and gave them to my 84-year-old dad to prove that I'm a horrible human being and that I am worthless and whatever. So yeah, she's done that, which is really bad. So she's been on my OnlyFans and screenshotted everything. And she's telling loads of lies that Owen's my pimp and that he forces me to do these things and we're both terrible people. We're worse than murderers and all sorts. But really, she's the one that's actually the awful human for going out of her way to try and screenshot things to incriminate me. And yeah, she just completely slags me off behind my back. And my dad is completely confused and doesn't know what to believe. He's 84, he doesn't use the internet like normal people do. So he's just hearing what he's told and he's believing everyone. In the meantime, I've just moved into like a chalet, which my dad owns, and she's trying to force my dad to kick me out of this chalet because I'm a bad person and that I am gonna ruin lives by doing OnlyFans. And yeah, it's just fucked up. How could someone care that much that they would go out their way to do this and ruin? Look how tired I am. I'm so tired. I've been crying all day. Imagine caring that someone else, that much about somebody else, that you would dedicate hours of your life printing, stalking. Strange just thinking about it, to be honest. But yeah, so these are the not so fun sides of OnlyFans. Obviously, like, you kind of imagine that when you first start, that, you know, your OnlyFans stuff might get leaked. Not just OnlyFans, anything. Fanview, Fansly, Admire Me, wherever else you use. This just doesn't, you know, mean just OnlyFans. It's everywhere. If you use Pornhub, if you use whatever sites there are, adult work, anything. Yeah, like, you kind of not expect it, but yeah, you expect the worst kind of thing because that's what are you eating, Eric? You expect these things to happen, but you don't expect your family member to go out their way to try and ruin your life. So not just that, I'm not making money on my sites because I've got a bit lost all my confidence. I don't want to post it knowing that she's watching. I'm supposed to work for my dad in May, and that can't happen now because she works there and she's making it awkward. So I lost my job and now I'm going to be losing my home because one person decided that I'm bad. I'm a bad person and I must be punished. Bearing in mind I've been doing this now for 2 years and she's known the whole 2 years, but as soon as I move into this little bungalowy thing that my dad's gave me, oh, now it matters. It's just not okay. Like, it's not okay to be this affected by me. Like, weird. Tired from it all. Drained. Eyelashes look cute though. Eric's hurt his little leg, he's limping around everywhere, but these are not the fun sides of OnlyFans. I feel like people don't really talk about revenge porn or leaks or whatever. I'm gonna maybe speak to somebody in the media tomorrow about revenge porn without naming any names. Yeah, people are telling me to maybe speak to the police or speak to somebody, but it's weird, isn't it? It's a family member. You just don't expect this to happen. You don't expect somebody to treat you like this, try and make me feel like I'm something that disgusting, something that, yeah, making me feel like I'm doing something wrong, for empowering myself, empowering women by doing a job that I can do, that any woman can do. You know, if you wanted to do this, you could go do it. This is my sign to tell you to go do it. If that's something you really want to do, but also remember that you could be feeling like this at some point. I feel like everyone else has took it so well. I'm massive in like newspaper world. Do you know, I've had like all articles after articles after articles written about me, and everyone's given me nothing but love and support. And the one people you expect to support you is your family. But no, it's the opposite. I feel like the families are the worst. They're the ones that judge you the most. What's up, Nigel? Got Nigel staring at me. Got this guy staring at me when I'm trying to have an emotional conversation. Oh, boring you, am I? So yeah, I'm gonna keep documenting how I'm feeling, what's going on, because people want me to keep quiet about this. I know for a fact, because they're gonna try and use this against me and tell me I'm a bad person for even talking about it. But why can't I talk about it? Why can't I do OnlyFans? I'm my own person. I should be able to do what makes me feel happy, what makes me money, what makes, yeah, my life better. Yeah, it's sad, isn't it? I just don't want my relationship with my dad to fail because of this. Because some woman doesn't like it, and now it's everybody else's problem. Because one person has an opinion. Just concentrate on yourself. Imagine if you put this much effort into your own life, where you could be. I'm gonna have a little lie in the bath. Think about what's going on.